For one thing, it's fast. You can build and deploy a skill with a few commands. We've also added support for multiple regions. Now you can use the CLI in the same regions as the developer portal. Speaking of the portal, there's no longer any need to open it up to enable testing, deploy to Lambda, or delete a skill. You can do it all from the CLI with a few commands. If you've never used it, there's a few things you'll need to do to set it up. First, you'll need an Amazon developer account. Don't have one yet? Go sign up. We'll wait. You'll also need Node.js 4.5 or greater. If you aren't sure what version of Node you have, you can check by typing node-version into the terminal. If you're planning to use AWS Lambda to host your skills logic, you'll also need an AWS account. Make sure that you have AWS credentials set up with the appropriate permissions on the machine you'll be using. Here's a link to detailed instructions for setting that up. Now that you have everything you need, you're ready to set up the Ask CLI. Run the npm global install command into the Ask CLI folder. On Linux, you'll want to run as a super user. The first time you use the CLI, you must call the init command. This initializes the tool with your Amazon developer account credentials. Choose your credentials, and a browser will open to allow you to sign into your account. Sign in, and then you can close the window. Use commands to create and manage your skill. We've created a local Amazon folder. Now we'll use Ask to clone down one of our skills templates. Let's go into the folder and open it with our code editor. Here's the template and everything we cloned down. Alright, now let's deploy. That was easy. Let's test. Use the simulate command to interact with the skill. And here we can see the JSON response. Looks like it worked. If you already have a skill and want to use the CLI to make changes, you can use the clone command. Ask clone. Alright, now let's deploy. Check out the Ask CLI today, and be sure to take a look at our docs for more information.